Alright guys, welcome to the channel. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you this exact strategy on how to run a viral sales ad on Facebook. So if you've been running ads previously and you've not been getting sales, you've been wasting money, your ad budget is just spending and you've not been getting any result, then you've come across the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the ABC of viral ad strategy. So I wouldn't want to bore you guys with series of long talk. Let's just get into action. So I'll be running this ad with just my smartphone. And mind you, every procedure and strategy I'll be using on my smartphone is applicable to a laptop or a desktop screen. So real quick, I'll be going into my device, my ad manager. So if you don't have this particular application, just go to your Play Store or App Store. Where's my App Store? You go to your App Store and search for Ad Manager. She's going to show you to you're gonna take it to Meta Ads Manager. So I'm just going to go into my own. You can see I'm already in this interface. They say create a new campaign. So if you're someone that you're a newbie and you don't even know how to get to this place, they say create a new campaign. So just comment newbie in the comment section. I'm going to do a separate video for you on the introduction to Facebook ad, how to create everything concerning Facebook ad, your page, your ad account, and your pixels. So we're going to click on the objective of the campaign, which is sales. So we're going to give it a little time to load. Just give it a little time to load. Give it a little time. Okay, it has come up. So now, first thing first, we're going to change the name of the campaign. Though it's not actually compulsory, but I do change the name of the campaign, so I'll be able to distinguish from a particular campaign from other campaigns. So I'm going to name it viral ads, because this ad is going to go viral ad to save and continue. So special category, we're going to leave that because we have no business there. Ad budget. This is a very crucial part of your campaign. This is the number one crucial part. Your budgeting is going to determine how well your ad is going to perform. So a lot of us have made the mistake of going to starting with high budget, which I did when I just started out. Not a big company. Leave the high budget for those big companies. The recommended budget to start with is 3,000 naira. So I'm going to be changing this to 3,000 naira. I'll click on continue. So I'm going to change this ad set still to the viral ads. Okay, this is the ad set too. So now we're going to the conversion. So we're going to this place now, the conversion type. So I'm going to click on website, because we're going to direct most of our traffic to all our traffic to our website, because basically I'm using seller for this. So I'm going to click on website. So conversion event, go to conversion event. This is very essential, because this is the place you're going to pick your pixels. If you don't know how, if you don't, if you're here, if you're watching the video, you don't know how to create a pixels, then you can go and look for you can go to YouTube and learn how to create a pixel. But most of us are watching video. I assume we are people that have run ad previously and we're having issues that ad. So definitely you should have known how to create a pixel, or you should have been conversant with all this. So wouldn't be going into details. So select the particular pixel. I'm using the second one, seller sales pixel, which I created. Then the conversion event should be sales, purchase, should be purchase. Conversion event should be purchase. So go back, scheduling. I'm not going to schedule this ad, but most times I normally schedule my ad to start by 12 a.m. But this is about 3 a.m. So it's not still bad. Then now this is another crucial part of the ad. This location. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to uncheck Nigeria as a location. I'm going to uncheck Nigeria, because we're going to do a detailed targeting. So first of all, I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to search something on ChatGPT. I'm going to go to ChatGPT on my device. I'm going to search for the top 10 most popular states in Nigeria. Top 10, top 10 most popular states in Nigeria. states in Nigeria. So yeah, see, it has given us an estimate of the top 10 most popular states in Nigeria, ranging from Lagos to Ogun State. So see the trick here. We're not just going to use Nigeria as a broad targeting. We want to target these popular states in Nigeria that I feel these states have the purchase power, the purchasing power and capabilities to purchase our product. So I'm going to put in Lagos. Lagos, first of all, Lagos, Nigeria, check Lagos. Abuja, Abuja, that is second one, Abuja. Abuja. The third one, I'm going to put in Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, Nigeria, yes. I'm going to put in Owerri. I'm going to put in Uyo. Uyo, that is Akwa Ibom, Uyo. I'm going to put in Uyo. I want to follow, like, follow accordingly. So I'm not going to miss out any step. Then I'm going back to my, okay, we're missing out. I haven't put Kanu, Katsina, and so I'm going to put in Ibadan. I'm going to put in Ibadan. Go Kanu, Abia. I'm going with Abia. So far, okay, is Castina. Put in Accra. This is if you're selling a digital product. If you're selling a physical product, these locations might not be applicable because you'll be putting locations that your delivery, you're going to be able to deliver within those locations. So since it's a digital product, I'm going to put in Accra, Ghana, because a lot of my sales previously have been coming from Ghana. So I'm going to put in Ghana and at Ashanti region. So I'm going to put in Accra, Greater Accra, then Ashanti region, Ashanti, Ashanti region, Ashanti, Ashanti region. So this is that for the location. So the next one I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the age to 20 to 50. Yeah, people from 50 below tend to buy products, digital products. Then gender or languages. I'm just going to go through this. Okay, this is actually perfect. This is perfect. This is perfect. So I'm going to go to placement now. This placement is also very crucial. So I'm going to go to manual placement. I'm going to uncheck all this, uncheck all this, uncheck all this, uncheck all this, uncheck all this. Include search results. Uncheck all this. If you don't want to waste your budget, you don't want your money to waste on all these things, just leave it the way I'm doing the way you see my ad now. Leave it like this. Even if you're using on your mobile phone or your PC, just whatever device you're using, just go and uncheck all this. Leave it only at Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook reels, and Instagram reels. These are the only essential things you need, and search results for your ads to maximize your budget and your ad spending. I'm going to click on continue. So guys, this is the third level of the ad set. So as you can see on my screen now, I've already renamed it to viral ads, but I told you I'm going to rename the entire ad set to the same name. So the second thing we're going to do, you're going to go to identity. We're going to choose the page we're using for our campaign, our ad. So I've already selected the page. So next thing we're going to is ad setup. So on the setup, you see there are two options: create ad, this is post. So if you want a proper ad, you want to set up a proper ad that you want to do well, go use do create create an ad. Click on create ad. Don't use an existing post. Create ad. Then you're going to click on single image or video. You click on add creative. So we're going to select here on the ad creative. We're going to select video. Then we're going to media. Then see a trick I'm going to tell you now. The video you're going to be using for your ad or the image, no, primarily video. If you want an ad that's going to do well, it should be a video, mostly in portrait. So I want to advise you to first of all post the video on your page. So the video should be on your page already. So the video I'm going to use already on my page. I'm just going to click on the video. This is the video. I'm going to click on done. My video is already set. So after this point, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to head over to the headline. You can see headline and primary headline. Then you can see headline here. You can see primary text. So what am I going to do here now? I'm going to input my primary text. So I'm going to go to my primary text. I'm going to put it here. Primary text. I'm just going to put this here. Websites. I'm going to copy my website link. Copy it. Copy it. I'm going to paste in the link to my website. Yep. I'm all set. Yes, we are all set. Call to action, learn more. Call to action. Call to action, learn more. Learn more. Leave it at learn more. It's okay to be at learn more. So now I'm going to do a quick preview on how our ad is going to look like. Just a quick preview on how our ad is going to look like. So let's leave it to load. Let's leave it. It's going to take a little while to load. Just leave it. It's going to load. It's going to load. Yeah, you can see this how the okay. It seems I didn't link my Instagram to my page, so I'm going to do that later. But for you, you have to. You're going. I want to learn from my mistakes. So you should link your Instagram to your. You should link your Instagram to your page so that you're not going to have this error, this Instagram error. So you can see how my ad. This is how my ad is going to look like. This is how my ad is going to look like. So what I'm going to do now, the preview, everything is okay. The preview is okay. I'm going to do continue. I'm going to click on continue. Then I'm going to publish the ad. I'm going to publish the ad right away. I'm going to publish the ad. I'm going to publish everything said. I'm going to click on publish. I'm going to click on publish, and you can see it's publishing. The ad is publishing. The ad is publishing. So this is that on running a viral ad. You can just see this. If you follow these procedures and steps I just showed in this video, believe me, your ad is going to do perfectly well. Your ad is going to do perfectly well. If you still want an in-depth video, if you want an in-depth video like a detailed course on everything concerning viral ad, then I have a course. I have a pre-recorded course. Everything concerning viral ad you need, you're going to be in that course. So if you're interested in the course, you can now click in the link in the description box, and I'm going to access to my viral ads blueprint course masterclass.